Akhil Srivastava teaching you physics of class 10th NCERT, chapter 13, magnetic effect of electric current. So previous lecture I have explained about the magnetic field due to the circular loop and straight line. Now you will study the magnetic field due to a current in a solenoid. First of all, you must know what is the solenoid. Solenoid is a very simple, like this you are seeing. Solenoid is a spring, a coil, large numbers like this you are seeing, a coil of many circular turns. A coil of many circular turns of a insulated copper wire wrapped closely in a shape of cylinder is called a solenoid. Solenoid looks like a spring. You know that it is a solenoid. You are seeing this is a solenoid I have made by a wire. So it is a solenoid. There is a two terminals. This solenoid you are seeing, it has a one face this and one face is this. This solenoid here, it is also here. You are seeing it is a solenoid I have made, and here it is given in the figure. So in the solenoid there is a two terminals, and these terminals you attach. This is an experiment that you are seeing here. These two terminals, you are seeing a solenoid, this spring, same things. What is here is a solenoid, here two terminals attached with a battery. This terminal, this is, you will attach with a key, and then in this side current pass. So it form a bar magnet like this. It is a bar magnet that by the compass it is a cylindrical uniform radius from top to bottom, from this side to this side. You will see like this side to this side, uniform radius. In this uniform radius, when will join it, key is on, then current start to flow from positive terminal to negative terminal. Means you see that it is your positive terminal. From here it is going like this and this and this, and this side it is coming from this side. You are seeing, you see that this, it is this or this, any base. So if you are lying, I am here showing you current is coming from this side to this side. When current is going and reaching here, then you see that clock face rule I have told you previous lecture, clock face rule. It is a clock face rule that I have told you. If the anti-clockwise current is passing, then this phase means this is the phase. What is you are getting? It is the phase, this one. It is when the current is going like this. You see. So what are you? Clock, I have told you in previous lecture, hand of the clock is in clockwise. Clockwise means it is a south. So, but here you will see positive. It depends on the what type of you have seen. It is a clockwise or anti-clockwise. If it is a anti-clockwise, I have shown here from this direction. It is given like this. So anti-clockwise you are getting. Anti-clockwise you are getting, current is going from this anti-clockwise, then what will you get? If it is anti-clockwise, then you will get a north pole. And if it is a clockwise, it depends on this. It is a clockwise. You see that. When you will see like this, then it is a clockwise. From here, like this you will see, then it is a clockwise. From this direction, it is like a hand of a clock. And here you will get, it is a anti-clock. From this side, you will get, it is a anti-clock. Anti-clock means it is a north pole and it is a south pole. North pole and south pole you are getting. And these two poles you will get act as a bar magnet. Inside of this coil there will be a uniform magnetic field. The magnetic field lines inside the solenoid are nearly straight and parallel to its axis. So magnetic field in the same in all the points means field is uniform. Inside it is a uniform and act as a bar magnet. And this you will see, the magnetic lines are similar as obtained by the magnet. One end of the solenoid act as a south pole, other end is act as a north pole only by the clock rule. So current carrying solenoid behave like a bar magnet and with the fixed polarity at its end. If current if current is removed from this, then it will be automatically a simple wire. So after stopping the current, it will be again only due to the current it is a solenoid form a magnet. The polarity of, if you reverse means direction of the current, this positive terminal you attach this and negative terminal this, then the polarity will be also changed. What is the polarity change? The current reverse, the polarity of the solenoid also reverse. North will be becomes a south and south becomes a. If you want a strong magnetic field, then what? If you want a strong magnetic field, then what will you do? In this case, we will do the very important things. Put a soft iron inside put a magnetic material like a metal piece and soft iron called, which is magnetized, and it is called the electromagnet. When you stop, it will be lose it like this. It is a wire you will keep, there is a one thing like this. It is there and it will be a acting as a bar magnet, or at this place a metal, suppose like this. You are keeping like this. When you are keeping this inside the coil and then current is passing from here, then what are you getting? This metallic compass will be a magnet you are keeping, and then it is act as a electromagnet, and with this property it is using many places. Electromagnet, what is this? So you are seeing here very common field depends of this electromagnetic field. What is in the solenoid? The magnetic field depend on current. More current, more magnetic field means directly proportional. Field is directly proportional to current. Field is directly proportional to number of turns. Number of turns means you are seeing here it is the increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe you can 20 turns, 20, 30 turns, and very closely like this. What will you get? Like this, very closely. So this will be depend number of terms, and both is combining Ni proportional to electromagnet. We know the electromagnet. It is called the electromagnet. What is called electromagnet and permanent magnet? There is two type of magnet. When a steel rod or a soft iron keep inside the solenoid and magnetized by the passing current in the solenoid, then it is called the electromagnet.